The autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly commenced today, the 8th of September 2025, with proceedings led by the Speaker. The session began with key announcements, including the tabling of the Business Advisory Committee's report and the nomination of members to the Panel of Chairmen. The day's agenda featured the laying of ordinances, official orders, notifications, reports, rules and regulations. In addition, the government introduced several bills and presented the supplementary demands for grants and supplementary appropriation for the financial year 2025-26. Obituary references were also made to pay tribute to members who had recently passed away.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in the last 6 months, the state as well as the entire nation has lost many tall leaders. Late S.S. Sangma, who was the former member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, he passed away on the 15th of June 2025 at the age of 97 and was a member of the Salmanpara constituency. The former governor of Meghalaya, late Satyapal Malik, passed away on the 5th of August 2025. He was 79 years old. So we have lost many tall leaders. And I personally and fondly remember our own governor, former governor, late Satyapal Malik ji. And I had the opportunity, of course, to work very closely with him and meet him very regularly on different issues and matters related with the state and our people. And I recall and remember him as a very approachable person, a person who was very concerned about the grassroots people and issues related to the people of our state. And I found that he was very positive and keen to show his support in different issues that the state faced and different legislations that we tried to bring in. I found the late Satyapal Malik ji to be a very open-minded, a a person very flexible, I should say, who would be willing to take time to understand the different matters of the state. And of course, apart from being in Meghalaya as governor, he also was governor in many other states, including the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. That was the time when there was a lot of unrest and law and order situation going on. Late Satyapal Malik ji was the Lieutenant Governor out there. And therefore, he is a person with a very vast, I should say, political history. And all that experience that he had, he came to Meghalaya and he shared that experience with the people of Meghalaya. And I must say, contributed immensely to the people of Meghalaya. We will definitely miss him and always fondly remember late Satyapal Malik ji.